there we were. We'd finally made it to Europe, to Spain. We were given food, clothes, locked up in a prison for 3 days, but we were not harmed. But then, went for 3 days, could not sleep. And until I came to the Netherlands, I could not sleep for a very long time. Constant worrying, constant decision making. Am I going to get deported? When will I be safe here? So I started thinking of where to go. The next thing that I know, I'm going to the Netherlands. Like any home, I have a lot of feelings about Amsterdam. Some good, some bad. I've had a terrible time with basically all of the formal asylum seeking processes. It breaks my heart that they know that we need help, then being like a robot, like a machine that is just, I can do this, I cannot do this. The hoops we have to jump through, the bureaucracy that makes even going to the cinema difficult. Not only feeling unwanted, but knowing you're literally not wanted. And to top it all off, the asylum system has been designed to make me want to go back. To give up, even though I've been through hell to get here. So many of us have died trying. And well, we can't go back. And if I don't get accepted, then all that risk was for nothing. It's so undignified. But I really love it here. I think I'm becoming a bit of a Dutch person.
What makes you a Dutch person? Tell me.
I know how to say doei. I like the fact that I get to say whatever I want to say, as long as I'm not being discriminatory. I can insult the government, tell them how racist they are, without being put in prison for it. These kind of little freedoms for me means a lot, that I get to speak out. I've built a life here. I've made a ton of friends through my activism. Soon I've got my interview coming up to formally apply for asylum in the Netherlands. They haven't given me a date and I've been waiting 7 months already. Another hope. I've actually been running through both outcomes in my head. If I get accepted or if I get rejected. After years of not being allowed to study, to work, to rent a home, will it really be easy to actually live out all of my dreams? I have no idea what to expect, whether I'll be able to keep and build on my life here. They will decide whether or not it is worth it. Being undocumented sucks, but it has made me realize a lot of stuff. It's a learning experience. So my advice would be to each and everyone to be undocumented for at least a year. And they could give me their documents and I'll use it to live their lifestyle for a year. And then we can come and discuss and share ideas.